Hello darlings and welcome to My Beauty, and I'll be honest, today I didn't put no effort into making this video for you guys, but today we're gonna make some tiramisu. I'm gonna try to make some tiramisu. It's my favorite dessert. But anyway, we're starting off with 4 egg yolks, and I got 3/4 a cup of sugar, but this is only half of the 3/4 cup, so I had to divide it in half. Anyway, blend that up until it's light in color like this. It could be a little lighter, but anyway, I didn't have time. So anyway, we're gonna take about 3/4 cup of heavy cream, and we're gonna put that other half of the 3/4 sugar in that, and we're gonna blend this up until you have soft peaks like that. Yep, there we go. Next, we're gonna take 1.5 cups of mascarpone cheese, or you know what I mean. Hell, shit, y'all know what the hell I mean. Anyway, we're gonna put that in our heavy cream mixture and blend that up until it's creamy. Next, we're gonna take the egg mixture and fold that in. Could have been a little lighter, but anyway, y'all know I ain't had time today, guys. I tried to do something for y'all, but I wasn't really feeling it today. But anyway, this is my favorite dessert, so I was trying. Anyway, we're gonna fold that all in together. Next, we're gonna sift some cocoa powder in your dessert dish that you're using. And I ain't doing a very good job, but it is what it is. And you're gonna take some lady fingers, and this dessert dish is probably not ideal because it's not really flat, so I had to break it up. Anyway, we're gonna make the coffee that has to go over the lady fingers. So you need about 2 cups of coffee. It has to be either espresso or really strong coffee, and add in about 3 tablespoons of cognac. And you're gonna drench the lady fingers with this. You're actually supposed to dip them individually, but I didn't have time for that shit, you guys, today. But anyway, this was just easier for me. Next, we're gonna take that creamy mixture and mascarpone, whatever you say, mixture, and put that on top. Make you a nice thick layer. And yep, look at that, so nice and creamy. Next, you're gonna take another layer of lady fingers and put that on top. I don't know what else you would use lady fingers for. I mean, I think this is the only thing it's made for, because I mean, whatever. But anyway, like I said, you're supposed to dip them individually. Did not have time. Just take the coffee mixture and just put it on top. If you got time to do them individually, that would be better, but you know, I'm doing it like this. Anyway, we're gonna take the rest of that mixture and make a second layer. And next we're gonna put, oops, that's too much cocoa powder. Anyway, put your cocoa powder on top, and make sure you wrap this and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours before you serve it, or overnight. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love you. Mwah.